story. You're watching WCBI Sunrise.
Hey, welcome back, everyone. If you are a homeowner, then you know owning a home is just the start of it. That's why Austin Bowman is here to give us all the tips and information we need when it comes to home and renters insurance. Good morning, Austin. How are you doing so far?
Good morning. Thanks for having me this morning.
Well, thank you for coming in. So let's just kind of jump right into it because we have several things to go over. So first, what type of questions does someone need to ask an insurance agent when looking into home insurance? Because personally, I have no clue.
First thing is making sure you have the right coverage, and then understanding what your coverages talk about. And so I see it every day.
Mm-hmm.
People have no idea what they have.
Yeah.
Go to your agent. If you don't, go find one. Sit down with them. Go over your coverages. The inflation of the housing market. Houses are worth so much more than they were even just a few months ago. So it's super important to know what your home is properly insured. Kind of figure out what the square footage is supposed to be. In case the worst happens, tornado, fire, so we can replace it. And
so if I came to you the first meeting, should I bring maybe pictures of my home or inside the house for you? Would that help with anything?
Yeah, that helps a lot. Like me personally, I go out and get pictures.
Okay.
So that gives me a good idea of what we have, make sure everything's correct when I input it in the system. To make sure you have the proper coverage you need.
Well, perfect. And so how much coverage does someone need, or what is that kind of based on?
It's based off the square footage to replace it. So that's the key, making sure that your home has replacement costs, not actual cash value. Just appreciation. You don't want your home depreciated if fire, tornado, like I said, gets it. You don't want it rebuilt for what it's going to be in the current market.
So if my property is ruined, will I be getting my belongings back?
That's what personal property coverage is for. It's always a percentage. Like I said, once again, meet with your agent to understand if you have actual cash value or replacement cost. And it's a percentage based off your dwelling. And
you know, we were talking about storms, a fire, and recently in Columbus, there were the storms that damaged many people's homes. If that happens to me, what is the first step I should take? Should I immediately call my insurance agent?
Yeah, I mean, call your agent, and then I tell everybody, you need to get an estimate.
Okay.
We need to see that you actually have damage. You can always call me. I try to tell my customers, let's see what the damage is, unless it's an emergency, unless your home's destroyed, before we file a claim. So we can take the proper steps to ensure it's done as quickly as possible.
All right, so some of our viewers may not be exactly homeowners, they may be renting. And so my question is, do people actually need renter's insurance?
Yeah, you need your personal belongings covered. If you have rental coverage, just make sure, kind of get an idea. People don't think about their appliances, their furniture sets, their clothes that you've accumulated throughout the year. So really make sure that you have all the coverage that you need to replace your belongings.
And will this be beneficial for future renting homes, do you think, having that insurance? Or is it required to have renter's insurance? Not everywhere?
For college students at apartments, usually it is. It's the liability portion of it. But yeah, I mean, I would definitely not go without renter's insurance.
And is there a specific amount someone needs?
It's based off what you own.
Based off what you own. And then if someone has any more questions, how can they contact you or come and see you?
So I'm located in East Columbus, 112 Alabama Street. I'd be more than happy, me and Bethany, to help you out. Our phone number is 662-328-0999.
Well, perfect, Austin. Thank you so much for coming in studio this morning.
Thanks for having me.
We still have more ahead. Stay with us after the break.